Beyond Cool's back, and today is a special one. It's my favorite tuna sandwich. I picked up amazing hoagies from the Italian store down the street. Look at these buns. They are beautiful. 2 cans of skipjack tuna. It could be flake or chunk. Flake just saves you the job from breaking it up. It doesn't have to be in oil, and this brand doesn't come in oil, so I'll just put in a healthy tablespoon of olive oil. And 2 cans of tuna does go far, especially when you're making a special hoagie. So this is tuna and avocado at its finest. So we then throw in 2 heaping tablespoons of mayo. And who doesn't love mayo? 1, 2. So I do 2 because it's 2 cans. And then because of that, we do 2 to 1. So we're going to use Dijon. And Dijon just has that little kick, and a healthy tablespoon of Dijon. Some fresh black pepper. Perfect, can't go wrong with that. And now the star attraction is the avocado. So let's put that in right away. It is starting to turn brown. 1 medium-sized avocado. I just finely chopped it. All the things that are going in here are roughly the same size of chop, and that just saves. So for it to not turn any more brown, we're going to put in a fresh lemon, half of it. This one is seedless, so let's find out if it is. So far, it's awesome. That lemon also takes away the salt. I'm not going to add any salt to this recipe because the tuna, of course, has a lot of salt in it. So this lemon really helps keep the avocado from going brown. And of course, I love lemon. So usually it takes a half. So I'm going to put in 1 whole lemon. Oh, there are some seeds, so I'll stop there. So 3/4. Then I like to use chives. You can use green onion if you want. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped chives. And of course, we have 1 medium-sized tomato and 1 stalk of celery. That celery just brings it that crunchy taste. And of course, this is a fresh kind of tuna kind of hoagie. So all you have to do now is stir it up. Remember, to the people out there, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit that like button. And again, if you like more mayo, put it in. But 1 heaping tablespoon of mayo per can usually goes well. That's it. We're done. We're at the races. So let's grab one of these amazing hoagies. Oh, they smell so good. And who can't think this is one delicious looking sandwich? Look at that. Look at that. Put the lid on. The top on. Get a fancy plate. Look at that. All ready to go. So it's very simple. 1 medium tomato, 1 medium-sized avocado, 2 cans of tuna, 1 celery stalk, a couple tablespoons of fresh chives if you don't have it, green onions, olive oil, mayonnaise, and Dijon, and of course a touch of black fresh pepper. And the lemon again is utilized for making sure that the avocado doesn't turn brown. Ciao for now. Don't forget, hit that like button, and of course, hit that subscribe button.